Well, hello there. I am back and with another box, and I will show you it all, and I will show you what's inside of it, and I will tell you what I think of it. And if you like it, I don't care. Now, here's the box. It's a horror block. Last time was a set box, and now it's a horror block. And these boxes are just horror. They are filled with the most disgusting, blood-drenched things you can imagine. No, I'm just kidding. They're just stuff, nerdy stuff with the theme of horror. So let's just open it and see what's inside. Now, first up, I see some sort of poster. Now, let's see. I'll show myself and then I'll show you. Nightmare on Elm Street. Whatever you do, don't fall asleep. Wes Craven's A Nightmare on Elm Street. That is quite an enjoyable movie, I have to say. Have to get myself a frame. Nice beginning. Now, next up. It's an umbrella. Let's see. What kind of an umbrella? It's a weird one. Let's open it. Can you see me? Oh, you can't. It's something there. Let's see. Carrie. Can you see? Can you see Carrie? Yes. It's a Carrie umbrella, and my guess is that this will turn red when it rains. Yes, nice umbrella. I like that umbrella. I like that blood. I love myself some blood. I drink it every day. It keeps me strong. Now, next up, T-shirt. Frog Brothers, Santa Carla, California. Established 1987. Vampire killers. Pray you never need to call us. Frog Brothers, vampire killers. This is from The Lost Boys. A fantastic little film, and I recommend it. An amazing soundtrack as well. Okay. Nice. It's so far it's been a good box. A good box. Blood. As I said, I like blood. This product is not microwave safe. Do not ingest. Made in China. Do not ingest. Okay, I was thinking that it was candy or something, but no. No candy for me. So I have no idea what it is. Ooh. Rabbit in Red Volume 2. Burn the Rabbit. Signature Joe Shianakas. Joe Shianakas. He got this in another box. Got the first one. And here's a code, so I'm not gonna show you the back. Nice. Next up, Women with Guts. Let's see if something fun inside. The Witch of North Bennington, tribute to Shirley Jackson. I don't know who Shirley. Don't call me Shirley. On the Naked and the Dead. Oh, Return of the Living Dead. Okay, this is probably a nice little. I say nice a lot. It might be a enjoyable magazine. Yes. Comic book, Penny Dreadful. We already got one Penny Dreadful in an old one, so this is nice to get a little bit of a continuation. I've started watching the show, and it's not that good. I like the idea. I do like the idea, but they messed up, I think. Too much drama and kind of soap opera stuff instead of monsters, which was the point, I thought. But no, they want to make a monster soap opera. Too bad, because it had potential. It still has potential. It might be better in a later episode, but I haven't just watched I don't know, 4 episodes maybe. So okay, here's the Nerdlock magazine, and we'll see what the blood bag is. Blood bag freezer pack. A blood bag makes for a fun and frightening addition to your lunchbox or picnic. As a freezer pack, of course. Keep your favorite food and drink cold with this handy accessory. Yes. Okay, that's it, I guess. Carrie. Sorry, that's not a good song. It's Europe. Even as a Swede, I can't really recommend them, except for Final Final Countdown. That's a classic. Nothing more. The box is no more. The line must be drawn here. That's it. I have nothing to show you. I have nothing to tell you. I have nothing to do. So you can all just leave, I guess.